In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find game activation code on Steam for Ubisoft Connect. To find your game activation code on Steam for use with Ubisoft Connect, you'll need to go through your Steam library and look at the game details, especially if it's a Ubisoft title like Assassin's Creed, Far Cry, or Rainbow Six. These codes are usually provided when you purchase a game that requires an external launcher like Ubisoft Connect, and they're necessary for linking or activating the game on your Ubisoft account. Start by opening Steam and logging into your account. I have the app open in here, but you can use the website as well. Go to your library. Now, locate the Ubisoft game you purchased. Right-click the game title or click on it directly, and then select Manage or CD Key from the options that appear on the right-hand side. In some cases, a pop-up window will automatically show the activation key the first time you launch the game. So if you've never launched the game before, try doing that. Steam will usually prompt you with a message showing the activation code and may even offer to copy it to your clipboard. If you've missed that pop-up or closed it accidentally, don't worry, you can still find the code manually. In the game's library page, click on the gear icon for settings. Then select Manage CD Keys. This will open a window displaying all keys tied to that game. If the game doesn't show a CD key option, that may mean it's already been auto-linked to your Ubisoft account, especially with newer integrations between Steam and Ubisoft Connect. Once you have the code, open Ubisoft Connect either as the desktop client or in your browser. I have the desktop client open in here. Sign into your Ubisoft account. Now then click on your avatar in the top right corner and go to Activate a Key. Paste or type the CD key you got from Steam and click Activate. The game will be added to your Ubisoft library and you'll be able to download or play it through their launcher. Keep in mind that some Ubisoft games purchased via Steam are automatically activated through your connected Ubisoft account and won't show a manual key. If that's the case, the game should be playable as long as your Steam and Ubisoft accounts are linked correctly. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.